Hello again, Market Watcher. Welcome to Step 5 in our 10 Steps to Success, Chart Styles and Style Buttons. Identifying indicators and overlays that mesh with your trading and investing plan like we did in the last step is critical. Now, we're going to put that to work at a higher level. Chart Styles and Style Buttons are custom features in SharpCharts that let you save and switch between different chart setups instantly, including timeframes, attributes, overlays, and indicators. They're essential for organizing multiple analysis views, like one for long-term investing patterns and another for short-term trading signals, giving you the information that you need to effectively analyze your charts and make decisions. I love how Chart Styles and Style Buttons can be utilized together to save time and keep your charts tailored to your strategy, and I'm excited to show you how to set them up today. Preset chart styles. Chart styles save your custom settings, and style buttons are access buttons that allow you to flip through those settings quickly. Let's start by exploring the various pre-saved chart styles available via the Chart Style library below the Chart Styles menu. You can find this underneath your Sharp chart. These are ready-made templates, like Bollinger Bands for momentum trading, or the relative strength for relative strength comparisons. To test one out, click on it, and then click on the arrow that appears so it populates at the top of your Sharp Charts workbench. I love the preset samples because they provide instant professional setups. Traders may find the short-term trading chart style helpful as it includes volume, the ADX, RSI, and Chaikin money flow tools to see quick momentum moves. Investors may find the StockCharts Classic setting helpful, as it's a clean look with a MACD, the RSI, and a daily time frame covering a year's time. Selecting one applies it with a click, saving you setup time and inspiring new visualizations right away. For example, let's start with the StockCharts Classic. I like the beginnings of this chart, but I want to edit the template further, so I'm going to switch back to the Chart Settings menu. This will bring you back to the menu in which you can begin customizing the chart from the template. Now, I'm going to add the TTM squeeze to this chart. After that, I'm going to change the color of the chart and change the colors of the candles. I like my candles to be green when the price is going up and red when the price is going down. There. Now I have a custom StockCharts Classic chart. I'm going to save it as a chart style by clicking Save Chart Style and creating a new name. Now, I'm going to call it Danielle StockCharts Classic Style. There. Updating your default chart style. In the last section, we discussed customizing chart style templates, but don't forget, we can also create our own from scratch and update chart styles we have already created. This will give you a variety of different chart styles for different use cases. Remember in video 4 how we set up our default chart style in the last video by saving our work with indicators and overlays? Now we're going to customize it further for different time frames and then save these as new chart styles to use with style buttons. Start with your default setup loaded. I like my default chart to be set to the daily time frame, showing a 1 year or year-to-date time range. But I like additional time frame views as well for when I want to investigate further short-term moves for potential trades or longer time frames to examine long-term trends. Typically, I like to trade in the direction of the longer-term trend, but I also like to find entries on the shorter-term timeframe charts. To adjust for various timeframes, select the period and range at the top of the chart, or scroll to the Chart Attributes section and adjust the timeframe. For example, I can change my chart to a 78-minute chart that uses 1 month of data to see the most recent candles clearly. I can then save this as a chart style so that I can quickly access it again. Once the chart appears how you like, click Save as Chart Style. In the pop-up, select Create New at the top, give it a descriptive name like 78-minute intraday chart, and add an optional description and hit Save New Chart Style. Watch how it adds to your drop-down list. Why create multiples? Generally, one time frame is not going to give you all the information that you need for entries and exits. A 5-minute chart may give the appearance that a ticker is falling apart, while the daily chart will show the move is merely a blip to be ignored. Having multiple perspectives on a ticker while having a trading and investing plan is how you can find what works for you. Now that we have daily and 78-minute charts, let's create the same chart as a 5-minute chart. I don't typically day trade, but if the market is extremely volatile, I like to hone in on a 5-minute chart with a 2-day range. This allows me to see very short-term price action up close. Now, I'm going to save this chart as a chart style as well. Conversely, I can also create a weekly chart with a 3-year range that gives me a great idea of the long-term trend on an individual ticker. This ignores the short-term volatility, but gives you a big picture view. I'm going to save this as a chart style for easy access also. As you can see, as I go along creating all of these charts, I'm saving them as chart styles labeled by time frame, so I can easily access my various time frame charts later on. In the next section, I will show you how I assign chart styles to style buttons. Setting chart styles as style buttons. Chart styles can be accessed via the drop-down menu. You can flip through them like this, but this process is simpler if you assign style buttons. Style buttons are buttons on the left-hand side of the chart that give you easy access to your various custom chart styles. Hover over the gray buttons to see which sample chart style the style button is assigned to. For example, you may find a monthly chart, a 60-minute chart, an ETF chart, and more. Feel free to use the presets, but you can also customize these buttons to link to your favorite chart styles. Right-click on a style button to get started. From here, you can select a chart style from the drop-down list. You can select which color you'd like to see for this chart style and adjust the position and label. Then click Save Style button. You will see your new color populate, and by hovering over it, you can find your chart style. Click on it, and you will see it appear in your StockCharts workbench. Continue going through the style buttons and assigning saved chart styles to them. At the end, you should be able to begin with one ticker and click through each style button to see that same ticker in multiple timeframes, one at a time. After a solid multi-time frame analysis overview on a specific ticker, I'm much more prepared to make decisions in the market. My top 3 tips for using chart styles and style buttons. Before we move on, here are 3 tips from me on using chart styles and style buttons. They help you refine your analysis by providing context-specific views and quick switches, reducing confusion in fast markets. Tip 1. Match timeframes to your trading plan. Use short intervals like 1 hour for day trading to catch quick moves, or a combination of daily and weekly charts for investing to filter noise and focus on long-term trends. Tip number 2. Utilize consistent range presets. Isolate key periods like year to date or 3 years for consistent technical analysis reviews when comparing charts. Then save your favorite chart style as a style button for consistent checks. Tip 3. Set style buttons in chronological order. Save chart styles as style buttons in the order in which you typically do your analysis. I generally start with long-term time frame charts to get a big picture view, and then I drill down to the shorter time frames for my entries and exits. Do you have questions about chart styles, style buttons, or advanced customizations? Head to the support center on StockCharts to learn more. Thanks for watching Step 5. With custom chart styles and style buttons, you have the power of custom sharp charts at your fingertips. In Step 6, we will discuss chart lists, which is our custom feature that allows you to save your favorite charts into easy-to-access lists. This will help you analyze a list of tickers quickly, which allows for faster decision-making. See you there!